Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this May the 28th. It's a very humid morning and I'm getting ready to mow this backyard and I hear some chickens and this will be my first experience with some chickens in a backyard. So here we go. Let's take a peek. I am actually pretty excited about this. Here we go. And here they are over here. So this is going to be a different experience. There's 3 of them. We got one here. Oh, 4. One there. And the rooster. And then one over there. So this is going to be kind of different mowing around them. But it'll be kind of fun. Let's see what we could do. This is always your grass here. It's beautiful. I mow it at 2 inches and it grows quick. So here we go. Let's see. So far so good. Here's 3 of them. Very cute. They're already in the mowed area. I'm gonna double cut it for them. They're looking for some worms. All right, I'm all done cutting the grass. Cut it at 2 inches, and my audience loves it. There's 3 chickens there, looking for some snacks. And there's the rooster, he's looking for some snacks too. They've already looked at the yard. They're very happy. They said, thank you. We love the zoysia grass, nice and soft on our feet. Come on out here, guys. Come on out here, come enjoy the yard. I think they will in a little bit. Here they come. They just do their chicken walk. All right, you never know what you'll find in a backyard. Very cute. I love chickens. Bye. Chickens.